Welcome to Deys. Wondering what can I make with egg and rice? Let us see how to cook Egg Dum Biryani in one pot. Let us take 5 boiled eggs and make some cuts on them so that the spices get absorbed till the yolk. Then add a quarter teaspoon red chilli powder, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon salt. Make sure the spices are evenly covered on eggs. In another bowl, take 250 grams of basmati rice. If you can't weigh the rice, take rice in a coffee mug and level it. Add enough water and wash the rice properly at least thrice. Drain the water and keep rice also aside. In a pot, keep 3 cups water to boil. Flame should be on high. To this, add 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 2 cloves. Add in rice to this boiling water. Add half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to this. Rice will be bright white and won't become sticky because of lemon juice. Cook until the rice is 80% done. This will take roughly 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, mix well and remove rice from the water. Place the pot back over low flame and pour 2 tablespoons oil. Into the hot oil, add 2 tablespoons cashew nuts. When cashew nuts starts to turn brown, add 2 tablespoons raisins to this. Fry until raisins are plump. Now remove it from oil. Add slices of 1 medium-sized onion to the oil. Fry them until onion turns brown and crispy. This will take at least 2 minutes. Now it's perfect. Let us remove the fried onion from oil and keep it aside. Now let's fry the marinated egg. Fry them for at least 30 seconds and then remove from the oil. Into the pot, add 1 long cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves and saute for 10 seconds. Add 2 medium-sized onion chopped and saute for 1 minute. Now add 1 teaspoon grated ginger and garlic. Again saute for 1 minute. Add 1 chopped green chilli. Add salt according to your taste. I have added half teaspoon salt here. Give it all a nice mix. Now we'll have to add in the spices. Half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon biryani masala. You can add chicken masala or meat masala instead of biryani masala, half teaspoon garam masala and saute well for 30 seconds. Add 1 small tomato chopped. Saute till tomato has become soft and then turn off the flame. Add 5 tablespoons curd to this. Make sure you have turned off the flame before adding in the curd. Now combine it really well. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves and mix it. Now turn the flame on, keep it on low and cook until oil can be seen separately. Then add the egg and mix well. Now add the rice and spread evenly. Spread the fried onion on top. Cashew nuts and raisin. A handful of chopped coriander leaves. 2 teaspoons ghee. Ghee will add moisture and enhance flavor of biryani, however it's optional. Place the lid and cook for at least 7 minutes. Make sure the flame is adjusted on low. After 7 minutes, turn off the flame and remove the lid. Now nicely mix the biryani so that the masala is evenly spread. Egg biryani is ready to serve. Hope you will try this recipe. Let us know how it turned out. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.